What is going on, Dogelon Mars Army? Dogelon Mars up nearly 16% on the day. Great things are coming for Dogelon. You're not going to want to miss the next big leg. As you can see, we're up nearly 15% on the day. We spiked about 17%, and now we're holding a strong consolidation zone over here, which is great. Because usually when we see pumps like this, we do inevitably see dumps. But looks like great things are coming to Dogelon Mars. But guys, before I start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of these massive Dogelon Mars update videos. And also guys, I want to say if you haven't already, check out Best Wallet. Best Wallet is a crypto trading app that I've recently started using and I've been absolutely loving. Again, full disclaimer, if you use my link for Best Wallet and create an account, I do get a small commission, but generally been using this myself, as you've seen in some of my previous tutorials on how to buy cryptos. What is it? It's an anonymous crypto wallet that requires no verification, ID, or KYC. Available on both Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. The best part is, guys, you can buy, store, deposit, send, swap, all from your palm of your hands. Especially if you're an Apple user, sometimes a lot of these apps are not as user-friendly. Best Wallet happens to be very user-friendly, especially if you're swapping from chains. That happens to be the best feature I've been using. So on the fly, you can swap from like USDC to Polygon, Bitcoin to Ethereum, all from your one app. Obviously, this costs fees, but it's not too crazy. They also have an airdrop campaign, so if airdrop farming is your thing, you can start earning best tokens during their airdrop campaign. I don't want to ramble about this too long, but if you want to check it out and support the channel, check it out. Link in the description below. But we're talking about Dogelon Mars. As you can see, Dogelon Mars up 15% on the day, and things are gearing up. Looks like Dogelon Mars on a comeback. $500 million market cap, not too far. Again, currently sitting at $73 million. We're talking about more than a 5x if we see Dogelon hit a $5 million market cap. Why Elon? Why now? Dogelon Mars isn't just another meme coin. It's a mission built on Ethereum, powered by one of the most active and relentless communities in the crypto space, and backed by a vision that stretches beyond the next pump. While others focus on short-term hype, we are laying the foundations for long-term impact. And right now, in this moment of calm before the storm, smart money is accumulating because that's what's coming. It isn't speculation, it's already in motion. Now, before I continue, I just want to highlight this. In this moment of calm before the storm, smart money is accumulating. What does this mean? I see this time and time again. Every time coins pump, we saw Toshi, for example, pump today. People get aggressive and they want to buy when it pumps. Where smart money, they're buying in the red. Go back on this channel, guys. I've been reporting Dogelon Mars pretty much every single day for the past couple months. And on those red days, we're seeing massive minus 10%, 15%, 30% on the week. I'm telling you guys, this is time to buy. I told you reversals were coming. When we saw Dogelon nearing $165 million market cap, I said this is most likely the bottom. Now should be a great time to buy. None of this is financial advice, but I do want to point out that's how smart money is making money. They buy when it's red and sell when it pumps. All right, now what's coming next that's going to cause Dogelon to pump? A layer 2 development to scale the ecosystem, the Great Burn, which will reduce supply and increase scarcity. Metaverse, land on Mars, expanding utility. Now, again, to add on this as well, the metaverse is a metaverse game. Again, crypto gaming is a massive space as well. Not only is it going to be a great way to expand utility, but they're also going to have a burn mechanism built into the app as well. So when people transact, they'll transact with Elon, which will cause a small macro burn, which just, again, help with overall reduction of supply. As we're seeing right now, current circulating supply at 549 trillion tokens, okay? So more major exchange listings. Again, we're seeing Coinbase list new meme coins as days come. So again, Dogelon Mars being an OG meme coin with so much development, it's inevitable that a platform like Coinbase, even potentially Binance, will list Dogelon. A dev team that never sleeps, a community that shows up 24/7, red days, green days, every day. And again, I can test to this. Dogelon Mars, very strong community, very supportive community, as we've been covering this all together for over a year now. We're not just token, we're a movement, and those who recognize early will be the ones leading when momentum kicks in. This is Dogelon Mars, not a trend, a takeover. You don't want to wait for the headlines. Get in before then. The time is now. Elon to Mars and beyond. Closing with a beautiful graphic. Again, shout out. I can't pronounce this, but shout out to this person for writing this post on CoinMarketCap. Again, very insightful, very community driven. Love it. Even 12 hours ago, a strong project doesn't need to shout. Dogelon Mars is one of the few meme origin tokens building with a clear sense of direction. Elon keeps showing resilience in a space filled with noise. Now again, to mention, remember, Dogelon Mars is not a new meme coin. It's been around for over 4+ years, peaking a $1.2 billion market cap before fizzling away. Again, this is a great accumulation period because when we reach previous all-time highs again and pass a new all-time high, we're talking about crazy money, especially accounting for the burns. Dogelon Mars, the meme coin of the future, active and solid community, Rufus L2, fast and low cost trading, the great burn to reduce supply, and the metaverse AI land on Mars. Again, things are just heating up. Even their socials, nearly 500,000 followers. And we see a post for land on Mars and a little competition they're currently running, which is pretty cool. That's solid. Again, one of the most active and most bullish communities in the crypto space. Everyone watching the charts, but what's really happening behind the scenes of Elon might be the most underrated story in the crypto right now. Let's talk about the great burn of Rufus L2 and why Dogelon Mars is a long-term play. Again, it's absolutely been crushing. The great burn is more than hype. It's an international high-impact reduction of supply, circling supply, and a move to stabilize and strengthen the scale of Elon's value. Burns like this aren't just tokenomics, they are a statement of vision. And then fewer tokens in circulation equal more scarcity and more sustainability. The great burn is a recalibration of Dogelon Mars economy designed to fuel long-term resilience instead of short-term spikes. Holders are watching closely, so is the community. Again, but then that's just a beginning. While some projects are pivoting for our attention, Dogelon Mars is building quietly, strategically, and with purpose. What's next? Rufus and Mars. Again, Rufus is an L2 solution engineered to slash gas fees and boost transaction speeds across Dogelon Mars ecosystem. It's infrastructure that opens the door for seamless DeFi, NFTs, metaverse interactions without friction, scalable, efficient, and fast. And then the Dogelon on Mars, again, a metaverse game. It's not just a metaverse, it's a fully interactive Martian sandbox where users will claim land, terraform terrain, and 3D design structures using natural language AI prompts. No coding, no barriers, just your imagination. This is where tech meets the meme. While others chase the next meta, Dogelon Mars is creating one fueled by AI, gamification, and a community-first approach to digital world building. The Martian's metaverse has arrived for early beta testers already. Again, very, very bullish. What other project launched by sending 50% of supply to Vitalik? It wasn't a marketing stunt. It was a trust signal, one that forever tied Elon to Ethereum's origin stories. Again, the fact that we're still around over 4+ years shows the resilience. Vitalik didn't hold. He passed it on to a foundation, nonprofit pushing boundaries for medicine and human longevity. For the meme coins to mission all aligned movement. Few projects can say that. Again, go on. And newcomers make noise. Elon is just showing up. OKX, Crypto.com, Gemini, 20+ exchanges and counting. High liquidity, high visibility, and room to grow. Retail and institution audiences. You can't build volume without access, and Elon has both. And then we see Dogelon Mars is weathering every major cycle. It's not just alive, it's evolving, with trading volume spiking to 50 million a day and a historic high nearing 1 billion a day. Elon is no stranger to volatility. It's built to last through the noise. Again, so much bullish news. I mean, this creator went on to really inform the community, which is great to see. Keep your eyes on the great burn and don't blink, because the next era of Elon won't be a moment. It will be a Martian approach. And it's just one beginning. Again, things are heating up, guys. Dogelon Mars is about to see all-time highs. This is the bullish news. This is a project you got to stand behind. And let me know how you're feeling about Dogelon in the comment section below. Again, we're going to reach all-time highs soon. Stay vigilant. Stay ready. And that wraps the video. Like always, none of this is financial advice. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.